Microscope. A microscope is an instrument used to examine objects that are too small to be seen by the naked eyes. This is a simple microscope. Let's have a look at its parts. Parts of microscope. Base. The base provides support to the microscope. Arm. The arm supports the tube and connects to the base of the microscope. Illuminator. Illuminator is the source of light. Some microscope uses reflector in place of illuminator. Stage. The stage is a flat rectangular plate. The stage has hole in its center through which light can pass. The specimen is placed on the stage for examination.